Hi there and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about something that many people consider doing, buying a home in Florida. But before you make that move, there are a few things that you need to know. My name is Sarit. I am a real estate agent living and working in the Sunshine State. I am excited to share my experience and knowledge with you. If you find value to this video, please make sure to like and subscribe for more video like this one. Make sure to stick around as I am going to break down some of the closing costs associated with buying a home in Florida. So let's get started. One of the things that you need to know before buying a home in Florida is about property taxes. In Florida, property taxes are based on the assessed value of your home. This means that if the value of your home increases, your property taxes will also increase. However, Florida has a homestead exemption which can help reduce your property taxes if you live in your home as your primary residence. You can get as much as $25,000 tax reduction per person and up to $50,000 for a married couple. It's important to consider property taxes when you're budgeting for your new home. Another thing that you need to be aware of when buying a home in Florida is flood zones. Many areas in Florida are prone to flooding, especially during hurricane season. It's important to know whether the property you're buying is located in a flood zone and what the flood insurance requirements are. You can check flood maps online or through your real estate agent and speak to your insurance provider about different flood insurance plans. Unlike some states, Florida does not require a lawyer to be present during real estate transactions. However, it is still a good idea to hire a real estate attorney to help you with the legal aspects of your home purchase. Here in Florida, the title company handles the title search and escrow aspect of the transactions. They coordinate and act as the center point for the closing for buyers, sellers, lenders, realtors, and third parties such as surveyors, insurance companies, and inspectors. Since Florida is known for its hurricane and tropical storms, which can cause significant damage to homes, it's important to have the right homeowner's insurance to protect your investment. When shopping for homeowner's insurance in Florida, make sure to understand what your policy covers and what it doesn't. You may need to purchase additional coverages for flood or wind damages. Another thing you need to know is about homeowner association. Many neighborhoods in Florida have homeowners association, or in short, HOAs. They can regulate everything from the color of your house to the type of plants you can have in the front yard. It's important to understand the rules and regulation of the HOA before you buy a home. Since Florida is known for its hot weather all year round, it means that cooling your home can be a significant expense. When buying a home in Florida, look for properties that have energy efficient features such as high efficiency air conditioning, insulations, and windows. These features can help reduce your energy bills and make your home more comfortable. Finally, you need to be aware of closing costs when buying a home in Florida. Closing costs can include fees for things like title search, appraisal, and home inspections. In Florida, the buyer typically pays for the title insurance while the seller pays for the owner's title insurance. Let's take an example for a home worth $300,000. The typical closing cost in Florida for a $300,000 home can vary depending on a number of factors, including the type of mortgage you choose, the location of the property, and the specific closing cost charged by your lenders and other parties involved. However, here are some typical closing costs that you may expect to pay. Number one, you have lender fees. This may include origination fees, application fee, appraisal fees, and credit report fees, which can range from 1% to 3% of the loan amount. For a 300,000 home, this could be 3,000 to 9,000. Number 2 is title insurance. This protects against any lien claims against the property and can range from 1,000 to 2,000. Number 3 is escrow fees. These are fees charged by the title company for managing the closing process and can range from 400 to 1,000. Number 4 is homeowner insurance. This protects your property against damages and liability and can range from 500 to 1,500 per year. Number 5 is property taxes. This will vary depending on the location of the property, but can typically range from 1% to 2% of the purchase price. Number 6 is attorney's fees. While it's not common to use an attorney for a home purchase in Florida, some buyers may choose to hire an attorney to review their closing documents. Attorney fees can range from $500 to $2,000. Based on this estimates, the total closing cost for a 300,000 home in Florida could be anywhere from $7,000 to $15,000 or more. However, it's important to note that closing costs can vary widely depending on the specific circumstances of your purchase. So it's always a good idea to get a detailed estimate from your lender and other parties involved in the transaction. That's it for today. I hope these tips have been helpful for those of you considering buying a home in Florida. Remember, it's important to do your research and understand all the cost and legal aspects of buying a home before you make that big decision. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.